Today I'll be doing an unboxing of some wood carving tools. I want to get into this new habit of wood carving, so I've got the tools here. So I've ordered them on Amazon. So let's open them. So they come in this little box, kind of plastic thing. So let's see. Supposed to open them like that. So I've got these tools over here. So they have wooden handles. They're quite thick, which is good grip. So these are the tools. This looks like some type of scooping tool, like you can scoop out the wood. This looks like kind of like a triangular chisel. I'm not sure about these wood carving tools much, so I'm kind of a newbie. So please forgive me if I don't really know what these are. This looks like some type of triangular chisel thing. This looks like a thinner scooping thing. It's kind of like this one, but more thinner. I think this is a small chisel. This is another scooping thing, slightly smaller than this one. You can fit it in there. This is, I think, a rounded chisel. Yeah, I think. This is some sort of, I have no clue what this is. Is this some sort of slanted chisel type of thing? Okay. I'm not sure what this is. I will go and check out all these names and I'll figure them out. After this, I might even make a video of all the names. So this looks like some type of knife thingy. I think it's for making finer details on the wood. And this is another knife thingy. It's like bigger than that. This is another chisel. It's like this one, but thicker. And this is another scooping type of thing, but this is more V-shaped. Like, I'll show you. These are more subtle, rounded stuff. This is more V-shaped. Maybe this is for carving even more deeper incisions, maybe? I don't know. So we're down to the last tool. This is some sort of, it has this weird shape like this. Maybe it's for carving spherical things, rounded things. I have no idea. So well, that's all the tools over here. So now I'm gonna test them on a big plank of wood to check if they're sharp enough. So I have gotten this big piece of wood. So let's try it. Okay, chisel number 1. I think I really have no idea how to use this, so please forgive me if I'm not using them properly. I think I'll start with the scooping tool type of thing. Like this. So I think you're supposed to. My father told me that we're supposed to use a different type of wood. He said that this plank of wood is hardwood, means it's not appropriate for wood carving. So I'll see if I can get some soft wood and try it on these. So yeah, those are all the tools, and after this I might make videos about wood carving, or surely I'm going to make a video about the names of the tools, because I also need to learn how to use them, their names. I'll definitely make a video of that. So yeah, I hope you have a nice day. Please like and subscribe. Bye.